So, look at this weather here. Yeah, it's sprinkling out. It's Sunday, by the way, and time to head over to the classic car show. Hopefully I'll be able to get some good footage and pictures, but it is kind of sprinkling out, so we'll see. And I'm driving Mox's. I've been driving Mox's truck, by the way, because I need an oil change, and he has a full tank of gas and all that good stuff, so. Take a little gander around here. Check this out. So cool. Want to go for a ride in Grumpy? So believe it or not, I have never been on this side of the field. Hoping to catch somebody coming in, landing. I got a couple after touchdown, including that one there, but no takeoffs or landings right now. Yeah, the rain's starting to come down. It's still kind of drizzly, but I saw what I wanted to see. Pretty cool car show again this year. Last year I remember it was hot and sunny, like it was yesterday. But can't win them all, right? Still, good turnout, good cars. I voted for the Bel-Aire Sport Coupe, so hopefully that'll win. I don't know. Leave a comment. What was your favorite car? That was mine. But yeah, I'm going to head home now. I'm in the middle of my Google Maps course, which ends officially tomorrow evening at midnight. So plenty of time still. I'm going to try to wrap that up today because I have other work to do tomorrow. So yeah, saying goodbye from the car show. So cool, huh? So, yeah, it's closing out now on Sunday evening. It's going on 9:30. Still haven't made dinner, but I'm going to be doing that.
Hungry.
He's hungry.
So what are you doing? Well, what are you doing?
Okay, so I got my certificates. I was like rushing, but I got my certificates in Google Maps and Google Earth on top of the YouTube creators certificate. So I'm certified, and I'm probably going to be taking more classes in the future because they're free, and why not? So yeah, yeah, so I did create a couple of things that I'm going to add on to. One is places I've lived. I made a tour, and I'll have to share that with you guys. And also a little favorite places in Mukilteo. So those are pretty cool. I'm going to have to share that with you guys. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to probably start on dinner here, and then tomorrow starts the work week. So yeah. So hopefully I can get the videos from Saturday and Sunday and Wednesday up, and then I'm not sure if I'll be vlogging this week or not. It may just be weekend vlogs for a little while, but stay tuned. I will definitely keep you all updated. Thank you, as always, for watching. Your support really means a lot to me. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and follow my adventures. See you next time. Bye. Don't drink it.